Hello everyone, बच्चों my name is Amit Kumar Singh and I am your master teacher Vedantu, and here we are going to have the discussion over this KVPY 2020 essay part 1 mathematics paper, right? So in which I'm just going to deal with this application. So as you can see in the screen, the question says let ABCD be a quadrilateral such that there exists a point E inside the quadrilateral satisfying AE is equal to BE is equal to CE is equal to D. Now suppose angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD is an arithmetic progression, then the median of the set angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD is. And as you can see, the options are pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So guys, if you'll ask me, guys, this question is a very easy one. Only if you plot the geometry, right? So let's just try to plot the geometry. As you can see in the screen, I have already shown, I have already taken a quadrilateral. I'm just going to mark them as point A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D, and I'm just going to call this interior point as point E. As you can see in this question, they are telling me AE is equal to BE is equal to CE is equal to D. The moment they tell me like this, that AE is equal to BE is equal to CE is equal to D, this tells me that this point E is in such a strategic position such that its distance from all the four vertices is equal, which means that if I consider point E to be the center of a circle and consider the radius to be AE, then I can always draw a circle which passes through all the vertex of this, all the four vertices of this quadrilateral, which means this quadrilateral ABCD is a very VIP quadrilateral, and we have a special name for that. We call it as cyclic, cyclic quadrilateral, right? I'm sure bachcho, all of you must be knowing that. So now that was a beautiful conclusion that I have drawn corresponding to the information that was given right in the very first moment, right? That is AE is equal to BE is equal to CE is equal to D. I will be able to conclude that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if I am saying this, now let's just move ahead with that. Okay, now question is saying that angle DAB, angle ABC, angle DAB, angle ABC and angle BCD, these angles are in AP. So if they are telling me this, I'm just going to assume angle DAB to be like theta minus alpha, angle ABC as theta and angle BCD as theta plus of alpha. I hope that all of you can see that this angle is also in AP. Now if I try to plot it in geometry, I can see that this angle will be like theta minus alpha, this angle will be like theta and this angle will be like theta plus of alpha. Now my point is that question is saying, tell me the median of these three sets of angles, right? Angle DAB, angle ABC, angle BCD. Guys, come on, tell me, if I talk about the median of these three angles, can I say median is nothing but the middle angle if you try to write it either in increasing or decreasing order? So either way, in this case, the middle angle, the median position of that angle is going to be like, theta, right? So median of this set is going to be like theta. So all I am interested in, somehow I need to find out the value of theta. How am I going to do that? But a very simple thing. Up till now, we have not used this information of cyclic quadrilateral, and I hope we all know a very beautiful property of cyclic quadrilateral, that is summation of interior angles. Summation of the opposite interior angles is always equal to 180 degree, right? So I'm going to utilize that. That means summation of angle DAB plus angle BCD, this value comes out to be pi. So if you try to put the value theta minus alpha plus theta plus alpha, it's coming out to be pi. So alpha will get cancelled, which means 2 theta is equal to pi. Hence theta is equal to pi by 2. The moment you will get this answer, theta, guys, that is going to be the median value of the set of these three angles, right? So my answer for this particular question is like theta is equal to pi by 2. That is the answer. And if you can see the option, guys, I hope all of you can see the last option is the correct one. That is option D, right? I'm sure but all of you would have understood this question to the perfection and no one is having any problem, right? So just stay tuned for the next application, guys. We'll see you again. Thank you.